It's me again. What I got for you this time? Something fun. I'm in need of to use these things. Anybody know what these are? These are, what do you call it? The jacks for not really jacks, they're the feet for scaffolding. And this one's been sitting outside for probably 15 years. It's got a little rust on it, but the handle here doesn't move, I don't think. Let me check. Let me check here. Here, we'll bang it down here a little for you. See. Kind of moves. Anyway, it kind of moves. I have one, and I got two here. What am I going to do with them? I'm going to Evaporust them. And then I'm going to put them back in service by paint them. I don't know. There's a ton of rust on it. They're just for outdoor use. And what I'm doing, I'm going to drop them this way, and then I'll flip them over. So if you look over here, right on the floor over here with all the garbage down here, I think you can see it. You can see my hidden Evaporust bin, and take this out of the way. There's a lot of junk here. This is the Evaporust bin. Come on. Come on. I'll take my work gloves off so I don't get Evaporust all over them. Take this out of here, which is my super duper homemade basket. I drilled a few holes in it. Believe it or not, I had a food grade bucket in the basket. It was so much easier to drill holes through. Should use that one. Put that there. And we will go like this. Ooh, it just fits. Look at that. And we will put this one in here, like so. So hopefully by tomorrow, I don't know if we'll be able to get the whole thing, but maybe I should throw some ballast in there too. Let's throw something big in there, bring the water up. Oh, we got some water bottles here somewhere. There they are. There they are. If you want to let the water go a little higher, you just throw some water bottles that you're not going to drink into the pot. I don't trust this, but I wouldn't trust drinking this. But at least if I put some bootels in there, the water level goes up. So hopefully we'll have enough. Worst case scenario, I'm going to put a cap of tube and put this in there and pour the Evaporust in it. So that'll be there for tomorrow. And tomorrow I will take it out and show you the results. Actually, I'll flip it over. I'll show you the results on one side. I'll flip it over, put it back in, and I'll show you the results later. So, hey, look, I pulled them out of Evaporust. Look how good they are now. See? Just kidding. These are my other set. Yeah, this is what they're supposed to look like, galvanized. Don't think they'll be galvanized when I pull them back out. So this is what they used to look like, somewhat, and we'll see how they turn out. I probably should have brought them in. I had two of them. Two of them are hanging off my back porch, and two of them were floating around the garage. And you know those things you just hold on to because you think you're going to use them for something else, and all of a sudden you're going to use them for their intended purpose. Well, so anyway, that's what's going on. Where do I see a light? Anyway, I'll clip this in the middle, and you'll see. And I will show you what the results of, well, it's not going to come out look like this, but it's better than nothing. There's some pretty big burr in here. Holy crap. Ooh, that's cool. Anyway, stay tuned. Keep watching.